Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today we're looking at the United States Liberty coin. This is a 1986 silver dollar. This is the uncirculated version. There's also a proof version. This says the Liberty silver dollar is being offered in recognition of the 100th birthday of the Statue of Liberty. On the back it says the 1986 Liberty dollar is composed of 90% silver and 10% copper. This coin is the first Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island commemorative silver dollar ever issued by the United States government. There you go. And here's the coin itself. On the obverse we have the Statue of Liberty. This coin definitely has some toning going on. It's a beautiful coin. Statue of Liberty in Ellis Island, and it says Gateway to America. Let me go ahead and see that reverse. We can pop it out. There we go. And the reverse has Liberty's torch and the words of Emma Lazarus's poem, The New Colossus. I don't know if you can see that there. It says, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." So again, I'll be doing an in-depth video on this coin along with the proof version. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.